Alright, G.R.P. kennel, bathing on Medusa ass up. All we using is Dawn dish detergent. It's gonna get the fleas off the dog. Get it nice and clean. Get it lathered up real good and let it sit for a minute. Let it sit for a minute. Beautiful bulldog. That's my mama. Oh, big bucket like this here, and only put them in here just to restrict their movement a little bit. They'll try to jump out it if you move away from them. They'll start relaxing and they'll stay put. Some of them will. I already know Claire gonna go crazy. Just having her up real good. You want to bathe your dog at least once a month. I do. At least once a month. They out there in the dirt all day. Taking, you dig in the ear. Try to get any dirt out. Get that dirt out the ear. For everybody enjoying the day, shalom. Like, subscribe, and share.